Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Way Tutorials. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to create an animated website using HTML and CSS with different hover effects and tag shadow. You can see how can I create this website with the help of animation. When I move a cursor on navigation bar, the hover effect will be applied on the navigation bar. You can see that this cup will be animated with the help of keyframes. So let's start the video. Before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So let's start the video. First open the VS Code and you can see that I will download these images. I will provide these images in description with source code. Okay, so first we create one file called starbucks.html. In that, put the basic structure of HTML and give the title Starbucks website. In the body tag, add one section with class name header. Okay, we give the CSS in header. So in the head, add one style tag and give the CSS in header tag. So first we add the width as 100%, height will be 100 VH, background will be linear gradient with RGBA format. In that give the value as a 0.4, 110, 100 and 0.9. Copy this RGBA format and paste again and change the value as a first 41, 124, instead of 100 add 57 and 0.9 as it is, and then we add one image. So take one URL. In that we add a background image .jpeg. Let's refresh the website. You can see that image will be display but multiple times display. We can fix this. So add background position will be center, background size will be cover, and background repeat no repeat. Let's again refresh the website. You can see the image will be in proper format in web page. Okay, so next back to the body tag. In that, inside the section, give one nav tag. In that, add div with class name logo. Okay, so copy this nav tag and paste in style tag, and we can add CSS in that. Add width 100%, height will be 100 VH, display flags, justify content will be center. Justify content actually not center, it's a space between. Align items will be center. Padding will be 10 pixel and 6. Transition, we cannot give transition. So first refresh the website. Okay, it will be not working. First we add in some navigation like home, like that. First copy this logo class and in that give the CSS display flex and align items will be centered. Okay, back to the body tag. In the logo add image tag and put the logo of Starbucks. Okay, let's refresh the website. You can see the logo will be display on the web page. We can put in this proper format. Okay, so back to the VS code and in that nav logo, in that image, this image tag I will use in style. In that add width as a 16 pixel. Okay, let's refresh. You can see logo will be in proper width. Okay, so next back to the body tag, add one ul and li. In that add anchor tag, first we add menu, copy this one and paste it again, copy this list tag and paste again, change the name as a rewards gift card, and last find store. Okay, we again refresh the website. You can see that this list will be outside the web page. We can fix this. Okay, back to the VS code. In the head tag we can add CSS. So let's add nav in ul and li. In that display inline block, list style will be none, font size will be 15 pixel, margin will be 90 pixel, and font family Poppins and sans serif. Okay, let's refresh the website. You can see the menu will be in one block. Again we add a CSS and we can put this menu in this straight line in navigation. Okay, so copy this one. In that add a anchor tag. In that give the CSS display block, left will be 0, text decoration will be none, color will be white color, text transform will be uppercase, letter spacing will be 1 pixel, align item center, and font weight 600. Okay, again refresh the website. You can see it is in white color. Okay, let's back to the VS Code. We can add extra height in navigation bar, so we can fix that. We can add only 80 pixel in navigation bar. Again refresh the website. Okay, you can see that it will be in a proper format. Okay, so next we will add some hover effect in navigation bar. Okay, so to give the navigation bar, first add a nav in and colon and add hover. Put the background color as a white. Okay, so back to the website. You can see when I move a cursor on navigation bar, it will be in white color. Okay, but this menu will be not display, so we can change this menu color. Okay, but first we can add over effect in unordered list and list. Okay, in that give the color code 00754 and A, and text shadow will be 1 pixel, 0 pixel and 7 pixel. Copy this color code and paste again with hashtag. Okay, let's refresh the web page. You can see when I move cursor on navigation bar, it will be in proper format. Okay, so we can add two buttons in navigation bar so that this menu will be in left side automatically. Okay, so to add the buttons, back to the body tag. Inside the nav bar, give one div with class name links. In that, add anchor tag and give the name as a sign in. Again, create one anchor tag and give the name join now. Okay, so we will add CSS in this links. So copy this class name and paste in style tag. We can add CSS in these links. So add display flex. Align items will be center and margin will be auto. Okay. In anchor tag we can give CSS. So add anchor tag in links. In that, give the text decoration none. Color will be white. Margin will be 15 pixel. Font size will be 17 pixel. Border will be 1.5 pixel solid white. Okay, border radius will be 30 pixel and give the padding 6 pixel and 80 pixel. Background color will be transparent. Okay, so again back to the web page. You can see that this menu will be in proper format and we can add two buttons in navigation bar. So next we can change this buttons color. Okay, it will be working properly. So to give the smooth hover effect, back to the nav bar, sorry, nav tag. In that, add transition all 1 second, 1 second ease. Okay, back to the web page. You can see it will be working properly with smooth effect. Okay, so let's back to the VS Code and add hover effect in these buttons. To give the hover effect in buttons, first we write nav tag colon hover space class name links and anchor tag. In that, border will be 1.5 pixel solid black color, background color will be white, and next add color. In that, add color code 000. Simply it will black color. So let's again back to the web page. You can see when I move cursor on navigation bar, this button color will be changed to black color and border color will be changed in black color. You can see that navigation bar will be working properly. Okay, so next we will add content in this home page. So back to the VS Code and in the body tag give one class name called content. Okay, copy this class name and paste in style tag. You can add CSS in content. So add a display flex. Position will be absolute. Justify content in will be space between. Align item will be center. Margin top 2% and margin left will be 3%. Okay. In that, add background color red. Okay. Let's back to the website. So we can add temporary width. First new 90%, height will be 40 pixel. Let's refresh the website. You can see that this content will be properly working. First we increase the height. Okay, you can see we will add images and some content in this red part. Okay, so first comment these three lines. Back to the body tag. In that body tag we can add one image. In div tag, add one image tag. In that, add one image called image.png. Okay, refresh the website. You can see that we will add this Starbucks coffee photo in home page. So we will decrease the width of this photo. So to decrease this photo, back to the style tag in the content, add img. In that, add CSS as a display block. Width will be 4 409 pixel, sorry, 490 pixel. Okay, cursor will be pointer. So again refresh the website. You can see that the photo will be in proper format. And next we add animation in this image. So to give the animation in this image, add one animation and give the animation name as up down 1 second and linear forwards. Add animation delay 1 second. Animation delay, it means when we refresh the website, the animation will be start after the 1 second. Okay, so add keyframes to start the animation. So add a keyframe and give the name which will we add in animation property. Copy this up down and paste in keyframe. So in that, when animation is in 0%, the transmode will be translate y minus 5 pixel and opacity will be 1. Next, when the animation will be in 50%, at that time transform will be translate y 5 pixel. Next, also add opacity as a 1. Next, 100%. When the animation is on 100%, at that time transform translate y minus 5 pixel. Again, add opacity as a 1. Okay, so let's back to the web page. You can see that first refresh. You can see that it will be working properly. So okay, we can forget. Okay, here not forward, actually it will be infinite. So that's why this animation will be continue infinite times. It will be not stop. You can see when I add here forward, then animation will be working at only one time. Okay, you can see only one time. Okay, so in that we add infinite so that animation will be apply infinite time. It will not stop. Okay, you can see that it is working properly. So next we add some titles in the body tag. So that back to the body tag, In this content, after the image, add one div tag and give the class name as a titles. Okay, in that add one h2 tag and write the find your adventure. Okay, let's add one p tag. We can add some content in that, so we copy this text and paste in p tag. Okay, add one button called order now. Okay, let's again back to the website. You can see that the text will be applied and button will be show in this home page. So next we will add the css in this h2 tag, p tag and this button. So back to the VS Code, we can add css in h2 tag. So back to the style tag, in that add h2. In that first it will be not h2, give the h1 instead of h2. Okay, so the size will be bigger compared to h2 tag. Okay, in that color, give the color as white color. Font size will be 52 pixel. Line height will be 10 pixel. Let's again refresh the website. You can see that the font will be in proper format and size will be increased. Okay, so next we will add a text animation in this h1 tag. So to give the animation, add animation property and give the name as a slide left h1. 1 second, linear forwards. Opacity will be 0 and animation delay will be 0 second. Okay, so let's add the keyframes. Copy this animation name and paste in keyframes. Okay, add animation. When animation is in 0%, transform translate will be 180 pixel and opacity will be 0 and animation will be in 100%. Transform translate 0 pixel and opacity will be 1. Okay, let's refresh the website. You can see that when I refresh the website, the text will be on right to left side within a 1 second. We can add 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can change the value of the animation 3 instead of 1. So let's again, when I refresh the website, this text will be right to left side in 3 seconds with proper. Okay, so we can add one as it is, it will be working properly. In that next we will add some css in this p tag and add animation in this p tag. Okay, so let's back to the style tag. In that, give the class name as dot titles and add p. In that, add a color as a f4 e7 e7. Next, add width 100%. Font size will be 17 pixel. Animation will be, give the animation name as a slide left e. 1 second linear forwards. Opacity will be 0. Okay, sorry. Next, add animation delay. 1 second. Display will be block and position will be relative. Okay, so back to the website. Okay, the animation will be not applying this p tag. Okay, we can add keyframes in p tag. Okay, so add the keyframes and give the keyframe name as a slide left p. Okay, add a keyframe when animation will be in 0%. Transform translate will be 180 pixel and opacity will be 0. When animation is on 100%, transform translate 0 pixel and opacity will be, just a minute. Okay, opacity will be 1. Okay, let's back to the website. You can see when I refresh the website, the p tag will be right to left side. Okay, you can see that first when I refresh the website, first h1 tag will be apply, and after the h1 tag, the p tag will be display on this home page. So next we will add css in this button. So copy this button tag and we will use in style tag. In this button, add font size 15 pixel, border style will be none, padding will be 12 pixel and 23 pixel, border radius will be 30 pixel, font weight will be 600. Okay, next we add letter spacing 1 pixel, border will be 2 pixel, 2 pixel solid white color, and color will be also white. Background color will be 007F50. Next, so first back to the website, you can see that the button will be in proper format. Okay, we can add animation in this button. So back to the VS Code and add animation property and give the name as a button 1 second, linear forwards, opacity will be 0, animation delay will be 2 seconds, and cursor will be pointer. So let's back to the web page. Okay, you can see this h1 tag and p tag will be properly animated, but the button will be not display. So let's check what is problem. Okay, let's check the. Okay, we cannot add keyframes in this button. So first we add keyframes in this button. When animation is in 0%, transform, translate 180 pixel, and opacity will be 0. Okay, and animation is in 100%. At that time, add, transform, translate 0 pixel, and opacity will be 1. Okay, let's back to the website. You can see after the 3 second this button will be display on this home page. Okay, you can see when I refresh the website, first 1 second, after 1 second this h1 tag will be display, after the 2 second this p tag will be display, and after the 3 second this button will be display. Next we add hover effect in this button. Okay, so sorry, so back to the VS Code and add hover effect. To give the hover effect, add class name title and add button colon hover. In that, add background color transparent. Let's back to the website, refresh. Okay, you can see when I move cursor on this button, the button background color will be transparent. Okay, so this is how we have completed this beautiful and animated website design using HTML and CSS. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, then share with your friends and stay connected with us. Thank you so much for watching.